Hi guys, a little story time. I haven't really vlogged in a minute because I have been sick since last Wednesday and it's already Christmas week. I feel like something's going around. It wasn't COVID. I literally just had a weird itchy throat and cold and a fever for, I don't even know, now it's like day 5. And so it's Christmas week. I wanted to vlog again. It's so funny because I go back and forth if like I want to continue vlogging or I don't. Honestly, it's like a passion project for me, and I realized that I don't like to talk sometimes when I'm vlogging, which is hilarious because it's boring if you don't talk. I guess I really like montages, if that's what you kind of call it. It's like clips of aesthetic looking things and then just have like a cute sound in the background. So I'm hoping I'm doing better this time, but I did want to show you guys like clips of last week. Before I got sick, I hosted a little Friendsmas at my house with my close friends, and I want to just show some of the clips from that. I'm hosting Friendsmas / Friendsgiving. We didn't get to do it in Thanksgiving, so we're doing like a Friendsgiving-mas thing tonight, which is that I'm actually hosting. Over here we have some of our cups for champagne tonight. The living room situation. We have my Christmas tree here and gifts, and then I have another tree there. Here I set up a long table for my friends, and we have cute little poinsettia centerpieces. I got this cute arrangement here for my usual or regular dining table. Can I just tell you, the fresh eucalyptus, like if you could smell it, amazing. And like the little pine trees, oh my gosh, smells good. Here I've got a s'mores station. My sister will be bringing some homemade cookies, so I'm very excited. And here is kind of where I plan to set up the food, and it just arrived. Food just got here. Look how good all the food is. We have, of course, Lucille's tonight. So we have their famous biscuits, which I super love with that butter. Ugh. We've got a Caesar salad here. I think we have some tri-tip here and burnt ends or something like that. Some of the chicken and baby back ribs. You have to have their mac and cheese. It's like so good. We have also the garlic mashed potatoes and some fries. Oh my gosh, so you can hear from my voice, I'm still recovering from being sick. It is Christmas. It is literally 12:25 a.m. on a Wednesday. It's Christmas morning basically. Usually on the 24th I spend Christmas Eve with my parents and all my family on my side, not my husband's side. And this year my sister hosted it, so we just got home from her Christmas party, and it was so much fun. And I really suck at vlogging. Like I said, I'm just getting the hang of things, and as much as I wanted to vlog, I totally forgot. I was just so happy to see everybody, and like I said, I wasn't feeling that well. Just gonna open presents in the morning, and then we're gonna go visit my husband's side of the family for Christmas Day. I'm gonna try to remember to vlog as much as I can. Like I said, I'm just getting in the hang of things, so I'm sure this vlog is everywhere, because I feel like the last time you guys saw me was like the eve of Christmas, and I was just wrapping presents. But yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning on Christmas Day. It's Christmas morning. Hi Louie. Can you show everyone your pajamas? So cute, look. It has Santa. Merry Christmas, Louie. hi to our game master.
Hello.
Say hi to this one. It's annoying. Guys, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi.
The chips.
Wait, I'm trying to, sorry.
Center it a little bit. Everyone else looks skincare. I know, me not our food.
Favorites game.
Number 1, Achi.
Number 1, you're number 1.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah.
But later, you can explain the games.
I'll explain.
So everyone has to explain what they brought, okay?
Okay,
For their
number 1, Achi,
favorites.
remember your number. Favorites.
Obviously. Obviously. Can you?
That's always my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Okay, and my favorite chocolates are the Ferrero Shakes. I love hazelnut, and I always have chapstick in my purse, and it's a must and necessary for my dry lips, and then also for my dry hands, some lotion. Okay, so these are my favorites. Thanks. Bye. Yay.
Got under eye patches, and then this is a pack of 4. I think there's 4 pens in here that are 0.5, and they have like the multiple color ones. Because I use these for work. So there's 4 different colored pens, but they all have like red, green, blue, black. 0.5, which is great.
If you know me, I love anything kind of chips. But in this case, I bought a hint of lime because I like anything sour as well. To dip with my cheesy Tostitos dip.
So I brought my favorite cleanser for my face. It's Japanese. It's called the Perfect Whip. It actually, when you get it on your hands, it becomes foamy. So it's very gentle on the skin. And it just cleans like your skin really well. Even when you have makeup on, it removes everything. And it's one of the best ones. And I bought these in Japan. And I'm sharing them.
Hand sanitizer because I always carry hand sanitizer with me because I feel like everything is germy and I don't want it on my hands. And I just recently discovered these because they're really cute and also smell really nice. And I love them. And this is watermelon.
Yay.
Did it take?
Yeah. Oh, it's recording.
Oh my god.
Hello.
What did you do?
I don't know. We're supposed to take a picture. Oops. My cousin Christmas just ended. We are cleaning the house right now. Here's Louie. Hi, Mimi. Hi, 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 Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. He was so excited to see everybody, right? Right. Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys on my next one. It should be New Year's. Bye, Louie. Say bye. Bye.